Meaning of flagrant.
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 Flagrant. Flagrant means something that is very obviously offensive, outrageous, or illegal. It refers to actions or behaviors that are shockingly bad or blatant violations of social norms and laws. A flagrant act is one that is committed openly and shamelessly, without any attempt at concealment or justification. For example, a flagrant violation of human rights is a clear and blatant violation of the fundamental principles of justice and fairness. The word flagrant implies that the act is so blatant and obvious that it triggers a strong reaction of shock, disgust, or outrage in those who witness it.